Hey everyone, in this video we are going to compare Wan 2.2 video generation with Google's VO2 video generation. So for using Wan 2.2, you just need to go to wan.video and you need to create an account, and by default you'll be getting 10 premium credits, which helps us to create videos quickly, and once the credits are done you will be having the relax mode which creates video slowly. If you want, you can just pay and get their subscription. And to create videos in VO2, I'm be using the Google AI Studio, where you can create video to videos. So first let's begin with the prompt, and this is going to be my first prompt: mountain with snow during daytime, hyper realistic. Simpler prompts, so let's see what it gives us. So in case if you're using Van.video, let me also explain you how to create it. So first you go to video over here and then select text to video, because I'm going to give a prompt. Put the prompt here and select the model, which is Wan 2.2, and select the aspect ratio. Here we are having few options like generate with credits, inspiration mode, and we are also having sound effects. So like VO3, this can add sounds to your video. I'm just not specifying anything related to sound. Let it create automatically on its own. So this is the video that I get from Wan 2.2. Let me put it in a full screen, and this has audio also. So as you can see how amazing the video looks. The clouds look super realistic, and we are also having the breeze noise and birds noise in the background, since it can create audio also. The quality of the video is so good. This literally looks like a real footage and not an AI generated one. So amazing quality. And now let's see what VO2 has generated. So this is the video VO2 has generated. This has also done an amazing job, and as you can see the quality looks like a real footage also, and this is a 8-second video, and I really like the camera, the zoom effect. It just goes, and the background is not getting distorted also. I also like the imperfections of the snow. It's not concentrated into a particular area, but it's just random, and the shadows are also perfect. Here you can see this is a shadow part, and we are having some places where the sun rays are happening. So amazing work by VO2 also. This is going to be my second prompt. A lone traveler walks through a rainy neon lit Tokyo street, umbrella glowing under reflected signs. So let's see what both gives us. So we have got the result: a lone traveler walks through a rainy neon lit Tokyo street with umbrella, and just look at the quality of the video. Wan 2 has done an exceptional job. I really like the neon background and the focus contrast over here, because the focus is on the main character and the background is blurry. That's amazing, and the raindrops are so good. You can even see the water landing on the road, and it's creating this amazing reflection. And another main thing about humans getting generated in AI is that the number of fingers generated, and it has 5 fingers perfectly generated, and the umbrella looks so good, and look at the water dripping from the umbrella. So now let's see what this video looks with audio on. Okay, it has just given some random piano music over there. I was expecting the rain sound to come, but that's not bad. That looks too good. So now let's see for VO2 for the same prompt. That also looks good. That doesn't look bad at all. The only thing that I would like more is I didn't get enough of that neon backdrop, because I have specified it neon lit Tokyo. So I was expecting that also to be in the background. This is more focused on that character and the umbrella, but this also doesn't look bad. I really like the way it has handled the motion. It didn't glitch out for the movement of the umbrella and the person, like you can't see any missed places. So this also looks too good. So now let's go to Paris. The next prompt is going to be: a street musician plays violin in a Paris alley at a dusk, cafe lights flickering as people pass. And this is the video Wan 2.2 has generated for a musician plays violin and people pass in Paris. Amazing. The person is perfect, the violin is perfect, and the background looks exactly like Paris. And I really don't know why it generated like a time-lapse video, because as you can see everything is going so fast. So let's see the audio also. That's amazing, because the audio isn't fast paced, and just look at this, the detailing in this particular plant. That looks stunning, and as usual I really like the contrasting focus. The main subject is on focus and the background is completely blurred. So at times you can see people vanishing in the time lapse, but I don't mind it because all our focus is on this person. And even you look at this minute hand details, I guess everything is so perfectly done. So that's an amazing video, to be honest. So let's see what Veo has generated. Veo 2. So you can just play this, and Veo 2 has also done an exceptional job over here. And same thing, the main subject is on focus and the background is out of focus. And just look at the hand movement, right? It has replicated it so perfectly, this part and this part, and even his hairstyle, that looks so realistic. And I really like the color that has torn off on the violin, because this violin was almost perfect, like a brand new one. And this violin has been like more of an used or a refurbished violin. I really like that imperfection over here. So the next prompt is going to be a old fisherman fishing in a sunrise lake with a light glowing over distant mountains. And this is the output Wan 2.2 has generated. I really like the fact that it has been able to replicate each and every single thing mentioned in our prompt, and we can visibly see it live. For example, here we have given several aspects, okay? An old fisherman casts his net on a misty sunrise lake. So we are having a old fisherman, and we could say that by his beard, it's like white in color, so obviously it's going to be old. And we are having that misty lake. You can see the fog or the mist appearing, and it's during the sunrise that golden light is appearing. And the final thing is orange light glowing over distant mountains. We are having distant mountains and orange light is glowing. That's how good it has been able to replicate our prompt. And let's see with the audio now. Okay, so I guess if you don't specify the audio specifically, it's just going to give some random music sounds. So let's see with Veo. And Veo 2 has also done a pretty good job. We are having the misty lake, and the person is getting the net ready, and distant mountains has that orange color glow. So Veo 2 has also done a great job. Of course, Veo 3 is way more times better than that, but I'm still happy that even a previous model from Google is able to compete with one of the top models of other players. So that's a great achievement. And another amazing thing about Veo 2 is no way it makes us to feel that this is an AI generated video. There's no imperfections over here. If you show this video to like most of the people, they would literally believe this is a real made video. That's how good it is. And these are the comparisons, guys, and do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.